Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing awesome. Guys, today I'm walking on the soil. We in September, but I'm start walking on the soil for next spring. I believe in preparing your soil, amend your soil, get your soil going. So within the whole fall and the winter, it gives it time to rejuvenate itself. And by me adding these products to the soil, it's helped the soil. So every year, this is what I do. I make sure I weed up my garden. Like for instance, these grass. I will come and I will weed them up, pull them up like this. Right? And then I'll add them in my raised bed. This grass is very easy to break down. These grass more easier to break down than the leaf. The leaf take more time, so these grass will break down very fast. So every year I add these grass, and also the leaf to my raised bed, and then I take some dirt and I cover it. Then I just leave it for the spring. Over here I already did this process. I add the grass already, and then what I did, I just take the dirt and I'm gonna put on top of the grass. So I'm just gonna give you a little idea of what I'm doing. So now you see I put the grass there. Guys, this is one of the best thing you could ever use for compost. When you keep using these things, you're creating a super soil in your raised bed. You naturally creating a soil. So every year you do this, you building your soil, you amending your soil getting richer and richer because you keep adding. So when they break down, it's better for the plants. So let me just give you a little idea of what I'm doing. So now all I do, I just dig some soil and I just cover. I just cover and just leave it. And over the few months, when the rain, the sun, then the coldness come and start penetrating, these grass gonna eventually break down and become compost. But this is something you have to do every year. Once you do this every year, you are creating a beautiful soil. So I just want to give you guys a little update on how I'm getting my soil ready for the next spring. So this is what I'm using, grass, and cover the grass with the soil and create this beautiful compost. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace, love, and blessing to all.